Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is still in sell-off mode, but however it has not yet broken, I'd say broken and sustained below these previous swing lows. So they can act as additional, at least short-term support levels. Okay, so we have here this level from the 13th of April, around $30. The swing low from the 1st of May at around $30, and then yesterday, or actually today, the price is sort of flirting with that support area again, okay, with those levels. It looks as if it tries to really break it and sustain below it in line with the wave count here. Quick reminder, the current assumption is that we are in this C wave to the downside. Standard Fibonacci projections point towards the $18.80 area. There is the 100% extension level of the A wave that points to that area. So that's taking the length of the A wave, comparing it with the length of the C wave. Okay, we can take a look at how it looks on the arithmetic chart. Painful. On the arithmetic chart or on the linear chart, you would use the 88.7 Fib level as well normally. So it would point just below that, but yeah, I'm not using that normally. So yeah, I'm not sure what the wave count would be on the arithmetic chart. So we'll stick to logarithmic. Just makes more sense to me. 1880 seems to be a key level to watch there. The 61.8 retracement. As well on the support level, on the support side, yeah, just looking at Fibonacci support. At the moment, you can see how relevant these levels are. I mean, the price has been dancing on this 38.2 retracement level for a while. And now we seem to be finally taking that out to come down and complete this correction. Is it a must that we come down? No, like with any analysis, I mean, at the moment, it looks as if we get there. There are key levels to watch. Also, don't forget about the $23.95 level. It's just an additional support level that's in the way, you know, of getting to that 1880 level. What's still possible from here is a wider B wave flat correction. So I've left the standard resistance area on the chart. That B wave, as highlighted in white, was not very, very strong. So it's absolutely possible that the B wave is still unfolding. In that case, then the structure would suggest an ABC structure where we had an A wave in 3 waves. This here would be a B wave pullback, and we could see a C wave to the upside. But that's possible now. If we go down quite a bit lower, it's not preferred anyway without further evidence. So until I see a bit of a reaction that would suggest this is a C wave rally, I'm going to focus on the downside. What you can use in addition is this trend line. We have a descending trend line on the chart. We have 3 touch points. I find it quite relevant. And yeah, I think in the current wave count that we're dealing with more immediate downside pressure, it would be ideal if the price could stay below that trend line. Any break above the trend line would make me think, okay, at least a larger B wave is unfolding. So if that's happening, then it should take us first to round about $44. That's the 50% retracement, all right? So breakout signal here around 35, and then it could take us to $43, $44. We'll have to see how this, how the market really reacts now to that 38.2 retracement. As I said, we're trying to break through it. It hasn't really increased any downside momentum, but today it's Saturday. It's a weekday anyway. I mean, in terms of movement, so it's just moving sideways, really boring day today. But that's the latest structure, yeah. So please be aware, this is not yet a done deal that we're coming down to 1880. But if we sell off further, if we see that in the coming days, the 23.95 level would be an ideal support level along the way. But then 1880 seems to be where, where a couple of different levels, let's say, intersect or overlap. Especially that 100% extension level is very, very relevant. But ultimately, whatever wave count it is, there is currently no setup on the smaller time frame, nothing locally here that would suggest that we've put a low in place of sorts. So as I said, probably the earliest indication that a low has formed is a break above the trend line. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.